Good morning. Today's the day. Let's dive into this thing and get it mowing. Okay, the next step, we need to take this blade off so we can sharpen it. Now, if you're wearing earphones or earbuds, this might be a good time to take them out. Oh yeah. All right, so there's what you're gonna find. Look at the edge, chipped up, jagged. Let's see what we can do on that. I'm not trying to salvage this blade. I'm just gonna get somewhat of an edge on it. All right, I could put this in a grinder and do it a lot faster probably, but I do like to use files because you don't remove as much metal. Plus, it's kind of early still, and my neighbors would probably not appreciate me grinding on this outside. So let's see if we can start removing some metal here. Again, I'm not trying to save this blade. I just want to try to get somewhat of an edge on it so it'll cut. Really, it needs a whole new blade between all of the rock chips and stuff in here. All right, before you put the blade on, you want to make sure this mating surface is clean so the blade will sit flat. All right, so these are 3/4 inch bolts and nuts. I'm going to put this back on and we'll go to the next step. Another important thing to do is while you're here, there's a grease fitting right here on the bottom. Put some grease in it. All right, the next step is to put the belt on. All right, now that we have that loose, this comes through here, that comes on that side, and then we tighten it up. Now it's time to make a fuel system. Shove this in here. This fuel line is brand new, so it's nice and soft. Okay. We now have a fuel system. All right, let's see if it'll fire up. Nope. All right, so I wasn't getting choke. Apparently the new carburetor, the choke blade is a little bit different than the old one and is hitting somewhere in here. I'm going to have to modify this. So let's see if it'll start now. All right, I'm pretty sure I put bad gas in it. I tried to recycle some of the gas that came out of it, knowing it had water in it, and I thought I had the water out, but obviously I didn't. So let's give her another whirl.